Oh, good overview as well. There we go, she's all done. That's better. Nice and secured, bolted up. There we go. My device is all set up successfully. Just leave it plugged in now. Nice and wiring's all secured. I've got another one of these front plates somewhere in my storage. I can replace this one. It's got a crack around it. Only 3 of the screws go in. This one's cracked. Beautiful. And there we go. Just leave it like that now. Now I can actually use it without having to fish around for an extension cord and plug it in up here. Perfect. This worked out brilliantly. Bloody beautiful. That is so much more convenient, it's not funny. Just learned this a while ago. Much more convenience now, that is good. Mount up my little clamp on the shelf, beautiful. I might get some LED tubes if they're on special. You just short these starters out and just put LED tubes straight in. There's a certain brand you can get. Depending on the tube you can get, it's got like a connector on each end. And you just short the starter out. You can make a dummy one of these by pulling a normal one apart and just bridge the inside terminals across with a bit of wire. So if I can get some of those, look for some specials, I'm sure it'll get cheaper. So I can LEDify these old lights. Yes, it is probably not worth it because it's a cheap Chinese thing, but old vintage fluorides definitely. Oh, it's almost coming out there like that. Oh, look at these bloody Chinese fittings. I'll fix that later. That's alright. I'm quite happy with the light filling too. Distribution of light is good here. Anyway, I might clean this all up later on, but I just haven't had the time. I still yet to fill this area here with concrete, all those little gaps. Fill all these up with concrete, but I just haven't had time to do it all. Being busy and all, with work and all that. So yeah, thanks for watching.